And na-receive ko yung ibang mga packages na in-order ko from Amazon. Kanto monk fruit sweetener drops. May zero melatonin. Snap invisible phone tripod. Ganito siya, oh. Or you can have it like this. A cooking oil. It's 8:50 na pala. I need to eat. So this is how it looks like. Ayan siya. Meron siyang name dito ng SMEG. Ayan siya. Oikos 000. Nagustuhan ko siya. Celtic sea salt, achwete or annatto seed. 2 na cucumber salmon. Chicken, ground chicken. Total of 45.62.
Guidance. So, starting low carb maybe children.
Kagigising ko lang. I'm gonna do a quick week haul. I got ampalaya, lato in Visaya. It's a sea grape seaweeds. Cafe de Monde, salted duck egg. I've got this coffee filter, yung nakita ko from Vietnam. I've got pinakurat. Okay, this is the pinakurat. Two. I've got salted freshwater kale. Para siyang salted binagoongan, pico and salmon, spare ribs. This is a cut pork Timor bone, a pork belly thigh. So ito yung ilalagay ko sa binagoongan. American Wagyu beef, chicken liver.
What do you like?
Hello. I have a few groceries. It's my off, so nakapag-grocery ako. Medyo madami-dami siya, oh. Pwede ko ilalagay lang to sa ref. Talong, may ganito siya. Ang cute niya, oh. Bumili ako ng avocado. Ito yung mga favorite kong avocado. Yung malalaking egg, sardines, cauliflower.